my god.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
So where you all you people? They're looking for you. Anyways, it's me again, guys. Back with vlogs, back with the travel vlogs, because yeah, I love the travel vlogs. You guys don't support me on other things, but when it's travel, you guys are ready to watch it. Anyways, I'm not complaining. Keep watching. You know what I mean? Anyway, so guys, you already know I'm not going to be doing the hiding. I'm going to Zim, okay? I'm going to Zim. And I haven't been to Zim since this lady's interrupting my vlog. Just reading the head register, and all these people need to show up because you're interrupting my vlog. Yeah. Anyways, 2019, guys, that's when I last went to Zim. That was like 2 years ago. So, and I'm going to surprise my cousin. My cousin has no clue that thank you. Yeah, thank you. Anyways, yeah. Guys, as I was saying, I'm going to surprise my cousin. She has no clue whatsoever that I'm coming. My uncle doesn't know I'm coming. So it's going to be so funny and interesting. Always in that, you know that thing where you have to put your hands up? Yeah, I was in that thing again. I don't know, I was like, yo, I didn't do nothing, I'm sorry. The bottom bit too is like this. Trust me, by tomorrow, this hair will be like that. So I'm definitely going to tie my hair at night time because I'm not trying to look like... Because Zimbabweans, they're savage people. They will actually laugh in your face. Oh my God, guys, do you want to see the cabin crew? Why? You gotta show you the second cabin crew. Look, pun it. Come on. Okay, she is feeling herself. Look at them, they're coming. Ooh-wee. Come on. Okay, I don't know who that is. Oh, come on. All I must say, last thing before I go, the vlog is going to be so long because there's a secret inside this vlog, but that's later. You'll find out later. Yeah, you'll find out later. Anyways, yeah, when I get on the plane, I'll vlog again. That's if I can, because y'all know how I be on the plane. Quite embarrassing. Oh, do you like my nails? I don't really like them, you know. They're alright. Do you know my eyebrows? Ooh, I look cute. I look cute. Hi guys, I'm on the plane now. Yeah, I'm on the plane, you know. And yeah, everything's fine. I packed my bonnet, guys. So if you see me vlogging later and I'm wearing my bonnet, just know I don't want to mess this hair. It has to be laid. No, Zimbabweans cannot see. Okay. Yeah. And I've got my other mask because I'm not wearing this the whole flight. It's not happening. My breath is going to stink. Yeah. So, what else have I got to say, guys? I'm going to show you guys the interior, everything later. You know what I mean? Yeah, so first stop is Doha. Okay? So I'm going to see your asses. Is where?
Tunes on the beat.
Knowing me, yeah, I'm not I'm in Doha now, yeah, but I'm not gonna lie, because you people are coughing too much here, and some people are wearing that spaceship clothes, and I'm not about that life still. Some people are even coughing without a mask. Oh hell no. You know what, yeah?
Once again, we
actually
invite our
can't.
customer, Sirius Zone 1 only, can they proceed for boarding? Our customer, Sirius Zone 1 only, can they proceed for boarding? Our business class customer, can they remain seated? We invite you shortly for boarding.
We actually can't blame Boris, you know, for putting countries on the red list, because the way people are coughing here, yeah, it's making sense. It's making sense. Can you hear that? You see, I'm not lying. Can you hear that? That's coughing. You're gonna hear some more again. Just watch. It's like we're in a clinic. This shit ain't coming off. Yeah? It's just staying on. Even on my eye if I can. What? Oh. You know what, yeah? It is what it is. Can you hear that? Bumper clot. Oh my goodness. No, sir. I'm praying God they shouldn't get on that plane. You know what? Hey. No, I need you to see the spaceship thing. I wish I could just go there. Boy. What a wow. Right? All this just to go. I think I'm going to put my shield on in a minute with all this crap going on.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, can I check this on
التقفزت ومعكم بيديكم
شكرا.
التي تفتح العمل في قطر إن القيود المفروض عن المسافرين شرفوا في قطر سوف تسري على الجميع حتى إذا كانوا مسافرين فتلقوا لذلك عليكم جميعا من خلال خدمات الوجه في جميع الأوقات في
I'd like to thank you for choosing and flying Youth Airways. It's been a great pleasure to have you boarding on a full day serving.
Guys, we're in Zambia now. Can you see my eyes? They're puffy. I'm sleep deprived. I need to sleep. One more flight, you know. One more. I said one more the last time. That actually wasn't one more. This is the one more. Yeah. Oh my god. I feel like my ribs have been twisted. I had to put my body on because I didn't want my hair to get rough. So yeah. We're at Zambia right now, Lusaka, having a Zambian break. So we're going to so some people are getting off. But Zimbabwe and stay on. Get on the next flight.
Purchase your tracks today.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Guys, we're at my uncle's house and my cousin's house now. They have no clue that we're here. I'm trying to hide so they don't see me. I don't even know if my cousin is there or not. Ah! Hey! Hello! Hello! How are you? What a surprise! I know! Did you think I was coming?
No.
No.
Yeah.
I'm fine. I was looking for you. You died. What didn't you tell me? Why?
Whoa! What is that? أيوة أنت تعرفه أيوة أنا قادر أقول